Mornings. How many of you are morning people? I for sure am not one of them. It takes me a good while to wake myself up, and hence a morning routine for me is so essential. I definitely don't wake up all fresh and chirpy, although I'd like to, but I guess that's okay. Join me today as I take you along with me through my slow morning routine. Recently, for a while now, I've been trying to live sustainably, and I learned that the small part that comes off when you cut the corners of the milk packet actually can't be recycled. So, in my small attempt to contribute to living sustainably, each time I cut the milk packet, I try not to cut off the edge but cut right through the packet so I can dispose this off as it is. This can now be recycled. Another thing I'm trying to do to contribute to a more sustainable environment is to segregate my waste properly and make sure I dispose it off well. We give wet waste every alternate day, and the dry waste is collected twice a week. Today also happens to be my plant watering day. And plants generally don't need water every day depending on the weather conditions. So I just check the soil and see if it's dry and it needs a little water. I read somewhere that drinking warm water in an empty stomach early morning is actually really good to kickstart your metabolism. And I usually like to infuse it with something every day so I can have a warm drink that's calming in the morning. I wonder if there are other people like me who find it so hard to remind themselves to drink water every day. And so I have this bottle now to remind me, and to be honest, it's actually helping. I also sometimes wonder if there are people out there like me who just can't get through a day without a cup of coffee. Are you one of them? I'd like to know if I have company. There's something about the smell of freshly brewed coffee that somehow seems to make mornings better. And there's also definitely something about having that freshly brewed cuppa alone by yourself with some me time. I always try to wake up earlier than everyone else so that I can enjoy this quiet time in the mornings. I realized the only way to actually get some quiet me time is to create time for it. And I could do that only by waking up earlier in the mornings. This whole morning routine allows me to slow down, be mindful, and be present. I'm trying as much as I can to stay active and include some form of exercise in my routine. Depending on the weather, I'll either go for a walk or I'll do some light stretches or some weight training at home. Since it was gloomy today, I decided to do some yoga and stretching. Exercise is a great form of self-care, and it really helps wake the body up and prepare you for the rest of the day. I recently incorporated the Ayurvedic dry brushing into my routine. Dry brushing stimulates the lymphatic system and also exfoliates the skin, helping the body to get rid of toxins and increases circulation and energy. Dry brushing should also preferably be followed by a shower. I recently started using the aromatherapy range for my shower routine, and I have been thoroughly enjoying it. A morning routine allows me to find myself and be efficient, and the first thoughts of the day define my mood for the rest of the hours. And even on bad days, I am grateful for my life. And the Word of God, For I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Let the morning bring me word of your unfailing love. For I have put my trust in you. Show me the way I should go. Jesus Christ, my Lord, yesterday, today, and forever. Thank you so much for joining me in my morning routine today. And how about we chat more in the comment section down below? I'd like to know what your mornings are like too. That's it from me today. I'm gonna grab this and go join my 9 a.m. morning call. See you all soon again in my next video.